Tell you something, what?
You shitted on him.
Don't like this bitch. Now go hold you. Yo, it's the world, YouTube, man. Motherfuckers out here in a rack, you feel me? Gotta get this bitch detailed. Finally got settled in out here. Long little drive. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just gonna throw this in something. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I can see the bow-legged hoe made it out here. Bro, so you got the Instagram on there. She a little dirty though. Inside, let me see y'all before and after this joint. Motherfucking dirty. Dirty. Dogs did me dirty, bro. Overly dirty, man. They did me dirty. This bitch dirty though. She finna get cleaned her up on me. They got the YouTube on now. Stop playing on me. Gonna get this bitch together. Hold on, let me show y'all again. They did me dirty, G. They did me dirty. Let me go ahead and pop the back part. As y'all know, what the fuck I just dropped? Oh, can't leave that. As y'all know, the dogs. No, as y'all know, my trunk don't open. So we gotta go through the thing. Yeah, man. Overly dirty. But this the before and after, man. My boy finna get me right. Go ahead and show him up out here. My boy, easy clean on me. So stop playing. Go get y'all shit washed. Folks on 95th on me. But he finna get me right, you feel me? And I'm gonna go and probably catch y'all after I get my shit back. Or maybe when I go get something to eat. I'm waiting for my cousin to come grab me. Cause he finna have this bitch for a little minute, but yeah though, man. But then they got the Harley Davidson over there. Let me show y'all the Harley joint. Damn, bro. Fucking fender fucking up. Let me show y'all the Harley joint. This bitch hard. Oh, bro. Got the Harley Davidson joint over there. Bitch hard. Whoa. That motherfucker look tough. And he just got done with it. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all afterwards. Don't like this bitch. Now go hold it. This bitch still dirty, bro. It look clean, but it ain't. I'm gonna just got this bitch back. This bitch not all the way up the park for us. Rim still dirty. That ain't gonna hold you. That's tweaking. Finna have the neighborhood hero watch this bitch. I'm about to go get some shit for the fucking this store, bro. Hold on. Folks still ain't bring me my mats, bro. What the fuck? Folks did not bring me the mats, bro. Hold on, G. They tweaking. Overly tweaking, bro. This my shit right here. Where you go? Dude, that's my shit right there. Yo, hey, I had 2 mats in the back. 2 cotton mats. I think this one of them. I don't know if that's it right there.
I don't know. You guys tell me which one. Was this one of them?
No, that's not. I don't got holes in it. I think this one of them. It's either. That's not it, cause I ain't had white on it.
Yeah.
But I know it was some part like this, or I think that's it right there. That's hanging up right there. Yeah, it's tripping, bro. Never again. Hold on. Is that mine? Yeah. And I had another one. Or either.
You sure this ain't that one?
Nah,
So
cause
the only car we have left in here is
I think.
other car.
Is this?
This one?
No, that's not it. Either these two it, or I got another one like this. Or I think what's that one right? That one right there. That's to another car. If that was the same as this one, then these two it right here. Yep, I think these.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, them two. Yeah. Yep, them two. You grab this one. Alright, bet.
Keep them in the trunk.
Bet, I got you, my boy. These bitches still wet, bro. First try to go away with the fucking things, bro. I'm gonna keep them in the trunk. Oh shit. Never again. Nigga Burt was better off getting my money. Oh, bro. You better close that bitch down. Fuck they call they stuff doing, bro. Damn, broke my fucking. Had to get a whole new fucking center console, bro. Oh, buddy. Junkyard I go, it seemed like. Motherfuckers fucking my shit up, bro. Inside decent though. Oh, it ain't. Yo, they still got shit in here, yo. They go close down. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get with y'all later, but when I get back to the crib.
I was at it again, Mama.
I'll get it bitch set
You can ride her all day, she ain't gonna talk shit. We share this girl. I'm gonna hook up.
He said we share OV. Oh, it's funny, OV. First people couldn't get this bitch situated, so we gotta come to my boy to get it right. Looking good. You said what? I'll bring it to you one day to wax it.
Whenever you start some shit with her, just come to
Bro said he start washing the red joint to wash my shit on me. Getting that bitch sitchy. I got another dub for him. Oh yeah, these bitches you going right on the Hey he said he had to get up there with me. Oh, you know. What do you say?
Hey, what we do without the haters?
What do you say?
What we do without the haters?
He said, what would we do without the haters?
Oh my soul. I don't know what you did.
I don't know what dude said when he drove past, but
You ain't just go get no truck. You play too much like the gas. Oh, you rich people.
he said the gas. He thought you rich people, right? Hey, what dude say when he drove past?
Dude say, oh yeah, I see. He said, I see you. He rolled, and then he did like this. What that mean?
Oh, really?
What would we do without the haters?
You definitely right.
Because I be watching cars all night. Carwash never closed. I just take a whole lot of breaks.
I already know.
Somebody call me at 2 in the morning. They just be wanting somewhere to get high. And they come and kick it. I watch this.
What taste I did what?
You shitted on them. Like my buddy, don't nobody like him. His name Mike D.
Yeah.
He rich, but look, they don't know why he rich. He rich. They got a lawsuit and the motherfucker fell at work.
All
Anyway,
right.
that motherfucker brought. He sat on these niggas. Guess what he drove up here?
What?
Motherfucking Rolls.
Yeah.
I said, you better get the fuck out of here. You look tacky as hell with that Rolls Royce over there. He said, I know. And I said, you got to pay me like it's a Rolls Royce too. Straight up.
Oh, really?
You smooth as hell. They know. Everybody know. The car wash by the car wash.
I'm already doing.
Fuck with me, nigga.
I definitely got you.
I'm glad you fucked with me. You gonna be Give me my money now. Good job.
Mm-hmm.